Hello, here I am, Stu Gerrithy from Valley Communications. I'm here with Tamara and Mark from the management team from McLean Bowling Club. So, guys, how has working with Valley Communications helped with promotion of the club?
Certainly, over the last 4 or 5 years, our connection with Valley Communications has changed the club from being just a small country bowling club into a quite a multi-million-dollar business. We've branded the club through Valley, through television advertising. We've gone through 3 different ads, I think, over the years, and our most recent one's been our most popular. And obviously, each one we do gets better and better. And with that, the club's just got better and better. The club, after the facilities we provide, are just continually improving.
Yeah, our current TVC really enhanced our brand awareness.
That's
And kept
fantastic.
us top of mind.
That's fantastic.
With, our customers broadened our horizon.
That's so good.
Yeah, and we created some synergy with it on radio as well.
Yeah, that's so
with
good.
The voiceover. Yeah.
Let's touch on the facilities of the club and current renovations, and how important do you feel advertising is for those renovations, but also for the motel?
I think that when the motel was built, the town needed a motel, but nobody really knew that the bowling club existed. The bowling club was behind the main shops, behind the shopping centre, the car park, and we just existed in our own little bubble with bowlers and virtually not much else going on. And everybody was happy. That's the way they promoted their life. They was happy to come down and get with each other. And clearly, when I got here in 2014, the club really didn't have any future direction. It was just business as usual. And a couple of the board members were quite proactive about expanding the club's business and expanding our
The brand?
footprint and our brand, and through Valley Communications we did that, and now the motel's complete. The profits from the motel are investing back into the members' facilities, and we will have advertising our new look McLean Bowling Club, hopefully around Christmas time or just after.
The motel and the renovations, it just completes the whole package too.
Yeah.
Correct,
With the races recently, we had
Absolutely.
people staying in the motel and then coming, to our McLean Cup, and it's created
It's
a
been good for
complete
the
package.
Yeah.
good for the whole town. Not
Yeah,
just,
it has.
Not just
Yeah,
the
yeah.
just not the club.
It's
Yeah,
driven
that's-
extra tourism dollars in the town as well, bringing visitors in.
Gotcha, yeah.
I think before the motel was built, there was only 26 motel rooms in town.
Yeah.
It was doubled when we put in there.
That's
And
excellent.
quite often those smaller motels are full before we fill up, which is good for them.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's been good for the town
Yeah.
and good for the club.
Even the state, the state grade 4 pennants.
Oh, yeah.
That created a lot.
Bowls, pennants, and all those
Yeah.
things. The Highland Gathering,
Yeah.
Race Week. Yeah, advertising will continue to be a big part of our team. The direction it heads into, with digital media and all that these days. Who knows?
Absolutely.
Who knows? We just have our finger in just about every pie.
Yeah.
We advertise Facebook, we advertise Instagram when we can, we advertise on our webpage, on the motel's webpage, in the newspaper, on the radio, and on television.
Yeah.
So apart
And
from
outdoor
sandwich
on the
boards
street.
and our posters.
Yeah.
So apart from standing out the front with a sandwich board on, I think we can't do much more.
No, I think you're really enhancing the brand by all this promotion, which I think is excellent.
I was only saying to Tamara the other day, we've had events on probably 3, 4, 5 times a year, every year, and there's probably only been 2 that weren't that great, that didn't really succeed, but everything else has just been absolutely great advertising for us. This the word of mouth advertising is the last one that we didn't really touch.
And
on.
how was your numbers like coming to those events?
Oh, increasing all the time. It's more the response. I really don't care if we get 200 or 110, as long as everybody has a good time.
And
that's the main thing.
The feedback we get is, great night, great show, or great event,
And what's the sort of capacity of numbers can the club take with an event?
It depends what you need.
Yeah.
If you want something with a dance floor, you're probably looking
or mentals,
just
anything.
under 200,
Yeah.
You had metal as anything here.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
did 250 here, sold
Yeah.
out.
Mental as anything.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Greedy
We've had-
Smith?
Yeah.
Was Greedy
yeah,
Smith?
Yeah,
It was
Grady
great.
Smith.
That was
We've had
great.
Shannon Knoll here. We've had the Radiators. We've had the John Waters, John Lennon show.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
We've had some good shows.
So,
We've
guys,
had
did
some
you
really
meet
good
Grady
shows.
Smith?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, I got a photo with him too.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
So-
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we've had some good acts.
We have.
And they stay in the motel and they all rave
Yeah.
about how good it is in the motel, how good the motel is. And
Yeah.
also how good it is they can just go to bed, leave the roadies to pack
Yeah.
the stuff up.
Oh, plus we had the
And
Great
get on to the
Southern
next
Nights as well.
Yeah.
We did Great Southern Nights with Tim Friedman from
Yeah, the
the
Whitlams.
Whitlams.
Yeah,
Very
okay.
And
good.
Becky Cole and yeah.
Look, all I can say is this
James
club
Blundell.
is so active
Yeah.
and well done.
And we just
Yeah.
we're connected with every community group in
Yeah.
one way, shape, or another. Most of it's financial assistance from us, but they all attend the club and it's their club. You know, the soccer team, this is their home club. And,
Yeah.
and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
That's right.
Yeah.
I'll just remind him of that. He's just ringing me about the.
Yeah. So we're like the hub of everything.
Oh,
yeah, of Maclean. Yeah.
Well, I'd say, and please correct me if I'm wrong here, but you're almost the hub of the Lower Clarence.
Well, you know, Yamba's a pretty good spot.
Yeah.
You know, it's hard to beat Yamba, but you know, that's not what we're here for. We compliment Yamba. We always have.
And they compliment you.
And absolutely, and we have a great working relationship with the two clubs out there.
Yeah, okay.
And yeah, well, we share rides to different events and whatnot. They might take a couple of our board members with a few of theirs, and Aidan and I, or we might take them somewhere. You know, it's just all saves you on fuel, saves you on everything. You know, only one driver, and everybody else can have a red wine with their lunch and things like that.
It's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the big thing here, and the reason we continue to be successful is food, because you know all these clubs and that are struggling with their in-house catering because of chefs and the ability to get chefs and the hours they've got to work and how many you need, and that without contract caterers who've been there almost 20 years, there's never been a day when they can't provide a meal.
So, what type of food have you got here?
Oh, it's all Asian, but it can be Chinese, Thai. They do their Australian dishes.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
On the Monday.
Your basic ones, and they do them on the menu all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
But yeah, they basically Asian is their forte,
Yep, okay.
and you know I put them up against any other Asian caterers around the area for sure as quality food,
That's excellent.
continuous quality food. Yeah,
That's excellent.
everybody gets complaints about food, but you know they're doing 200 meals a day, and one person a week might say something that the rice was cold or something like that.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, nothing. You know, they lose sleep over.
Yeah, of course.
No, very good people to work with.
All right then, guys. It's
Yeah.
been a pleasure to interview you both, and I look forward to our next recording.
No worries, Stuart. I hope that worked
Thank you,
out
Stuart.
okay.
No, that was excellent. Thanks,
Yeah.
guys.
Good on
Thank
mate.
you.